We're here at Bostwick Creek with the boys. About to rip it up.
We're at a dirt bike track or something, right? I am riding dirt bikes because I love it. It's my life, man. I've done it all my life, been riding since I was 3, so it's kind of just been part of my existence. Got a really good team behind me. We got a couple of really good guys coming up, so we're excited for the season.
I'm Cole Pranger down here in Florida riding dirt bikes with the Priority Thor GasGas team. Good at a lot of things, but what I do best is ride my dirt bike. Got an amazing group of people behind me this year, ready to twist the throttle and kick some ass.
What's up? It's Tanner Ward. We're out here in Florida with the Priority Thor GasGas team, getting some testing in and getting the season going. I let my riding do the talking. I don't talk much, man, a few words.
My name's Justin Roney, and I am the new team manager for the Priority MX Thor GasGas team in 2025. Today was our first day with everyone together on the new bikes, the new gear, the new, obviously all the new team members. Jaden was here today. Colton on the bike, I rode, Tanner, Wyatt, and Cole. I've been around the races for a long time, and I am super excited to see what our program can do in 2025.